Check out our QR Ordering app. Once you scan the QR, you will be transferred over to the app. Tap Start Ordering to begin ordering. You will see the multiple categories available. Then you can proceed to select any category and see the related items. And you can see the variations of the different drinks like hot and cold by clicking these buttons. You will also see that the price of the item will differ to the variation you've chosen. After you've selected your items, you can tap the Add to Order button. To see your items, you can tap the icon on the top right corner. Then, if you tap the Customs button, you can customize it to your liking. For example, you can press Less Sugar and Double Shot button to customize it. In the same way, you can do it for the other items like Add Sugar. You can also see that your requests will be put on the item window. You can also give your own prompt for each item like less sugar. If you'd wish to increase the quantity for an item, you can do that by tapping these buttons. Then the price will also increase accordingly. Also, let's suppose you don't want an item inside your order. You can simply remove by tapping this X button on the item window. Lastly, to complete your order, you can press the Submit button on the bottom left corner. And if you want to see your order, you can do it by pressing the icon on the top right corner and Pay at Counter. Now, here is the POS system. You can see this table management as an example. And now table number 5 has disappeared and a tab has been highlighted in red at the right side. And when you click on it, you will see an order has been placed. And when you click on it, you will see it's the same order that we just placed on the QR Ordering app. And when you click on the Order button at the top right corner, a print of the order will be sent to all the kitchens in your restaurant or cafe. And now the table has been highlighted in red, meaning that the table has been reserved. And when the customer is done eating, you will click on the highlighted table. Then head over to the Payment button at the top right corner. And now this window will pop up. You then select the payment method the customer is using and take the payment. And finally, the table will be cleared in the system to be used for another customer. And when the customer taps the icon on the top right corner, it will complete their ordering experience with a thank you message. Thank you for watching.